Here is another question on function. The question is, the range of f of x equals to radical of 16 minus x squared. There are choices over here. Now, whenever we are finding the range of different functions, we may find the range just by finding the domain of an inverse function, or we can also find the range of the function graphically. Now, in this particular question, I'm going to use the graphical method of finding the range of functions. Now, so as to draw the graph of this function, we should have to know that the standard equation of a circle with center hk and radius r is given by x minus h the whole square plus y minus k square is equals to r square, where r is radius of the circle and h and k are the center of the circle. So you should have to note this important point. Now, having said this much about concerning how to draw this function in a very contextual manner, now let's directly pass how to link this one with this standard equation. Now we are given that f of x equals radical of 16 minus x squared. You know, f of x is y, and we can rewrite this one as y is equals radical of 16 minus x squared, but we should have to note that the value of y is greater than or equals to 0. Now here, whatever values of x within its domain you replace right here, the value of y is always greater than or equals to 0, because this value can never be negative. So now let's square both sides. When you square both sides, you will have y squared is equals to 16 minus x squared. Rearranging this one and transferring this x squared to the left side, you can have x squared plus y squared is equals to, I can write 16 in the form of 4 squared like this. Now this equation can be written alternatively as x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equals to 4 square. Now if you compare and contrast these two things, you can see that this equation can represent a standard equation of a circle with center at origin 0, 0 and radius 4 unit. Now coming to this diagram, we can see that the equation represents equation of a circle with center at origin 0, 0, and the radius is how much unit? 4 units. That means this is 4 units long, so this will be 4 and this one will be negative 4, and here is 4 and here will be 4 negative 4. But bear in mind, since the value of y is always greater than or equals 0, so we will take the positive part of this circle, or we will take only the semicircle which is above the x-axis. So this part of the circle will not be considered. So this is a graph of the given function. So the graph of the given function can be represented just like this. Now from the graph you can see that the range of the function lies between 0 and 4. So we can conclude that the range of this function is from 0 to 4. That's it. Thank you.